गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। हमेशा की तरह एक और क्वेश्चन लेके आया हूँ आज आपके सामने। मेरे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स जिनकी डिमांड थी इस क्वेश्चन को लेकर, उनसे ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं हो पा रहा था। छोटी सी प्रॉब्लम थी इस क्वेश्चन में। ये क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 टी एस गरेवाल सर की बुक का क्वेश्चन है।
क्वेश्चन इज Kabir, Zorawar and Parul are partners sharing profit in the ratio 5:3:2. Their capital as on 1st April 2019 were Kabir's capital was 5,20,000, Zorawar's capital was 3,20,000 and Parul's capital was 2 lakh rupees. A partnership deed provided as follows. Kabir and Zorawar each will get a salary of 24,000 per annum. Parul will get commission of 2% of sales. Interest on capital is to be allowed at the rate 5% per annum. Interest on drawing is to be charged at the rate 5% per annum. 10% of divisible profit is to be transferred to general reserve. Sale for the year ending 31st March 2020 were 50 lakh rupees. Drawings by each of the partners during the year was 60,000 rupees. Net profit for the year was 1,55,500 rupees. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account.
इस क्वेश्चन में 3 पार्टनर्स हैं, कबीर, जोरावर और पारुल। द प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो इज 5:3:2 and there are some appropriations. What are the appropriations? Kabir and Zorawar are entitled to have a salary of 24,000 per annum. Parul will get a commission of 2% of sale. Sale is given 50 lakh rupees. Interest on capital is allowed at the rate 5% per annum, and partners capital are 5,20,000, 3,20,000 and 2 lakh rupees. Interest on drawing is to be charged at the rate 5% per annum, and each partner is drawing 60,000 rupees throughout the year. We have to solve this question. Let us see कैसे करेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को। तो सबसे पहले जब मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पढ़ाऊं, सबसे पहले कहता हूं क्वेश्चन का ओपनिंग बैलेंस ले लो इसमें। तो इस क्वेश्चन में ओपनिंग बैलेंस जो हमें प्रॉफिट दे रखा है दैट इज 1,55,500। तो यहां पे हम लेंगे बाय प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट 1,55,500 रुपीज। ये नेट प्रॉफिट है जो हमें क्वेश्चन में ऑलरेडी दे रखा है। इसके बाद एप्रोप्रिएशंस, लेकिन इस क्वेश्चन में एप्रोप्रिएशन डायरेक्टली प्रॉफिट लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में पोस्ट करने से पहले मैं आपको कहूंगा कि इसकी एप्रोप्रिएशंस हम वर्किंग नोट में कैलकुलेट कर लें पहले। पहले वर्किंग नोट में चलते हैं। तो वर्किंग नोट में कैलकुलेशन ऑफ अमाउंट ऑफ एप्रोप्रिएशंस, amount of appropriations, तो सबसे पहली appropriation क्या है? We have first 2 partners, that is Kabir and Zorawar are entitled to have a salary of 24,000 per annum. So Kabir's salary ₹24,000. Second, Zorawar's salary it is also 24,000 rupees. Third, Parul's commission. Parul's commission is given 2% of sale. Total sale is given 50 lakh rupees. So 2% of 50 lakh rupees, ₹1 lakh. So clear? 1 lakh rupees. Then we have to pay interest on capital to all the 3 partners. Fourth one, interest on capital. Kabir's capital is 5,20,000. So at the rate 5%, 5,20,000 5% of it, it is 26,000 rupees. Zoravar's interest on capital. Zoravar's capital is 3,20,000. So 5% of 3,20,000. 16,000 rupees. And Parul's interest on capital. Parul's capital is 2 lakh rupees. So 5% of 2 lakh rupees is equals to 10,000 rupees. So when we'll add up all these appropriations, 2 lakh rupees. We have one more thing, interest on drawing. We can add up here interest on drawing by interest on drawings. 3 partners, Kabir's interest on drawing. Kabir has withdrawn 60,000 rupees at the rate 5%. But point to be noted, date of drawing is not given. Whenever date of drawing is not given, we take average time period as 6 months. So 60,000, 5% for 6 months. It is 1,500 rupees. Zoravar's same 60,000 at the rate 5% for 6 months, 1,500 rupees. And the third partner is Parul. Parul's interest on drawing on 60,000 rupees at the rate 5% for 6 months, 1,500 rupees. Total interest on drawing is 4,500 and total profit to be appropriated is, and when we will add up all this, it is 1,60,000. So the profit that we are going to appropriate is 1,60,000. But when we add up our amount of appropriations, it is 2 lakh rupees. So amount of appropriations is more than profit available. Whenever such situation happens, what we do? We distribute available profit in the ratio of appropriations. And what is the ratio of appropriations? We have to find out which partner is getting how much money. Got it? So calculation of ratio of appropriations. So firstly we have to calculate which partner is getting how much money. Kabir's share is equals to, he is getting salary of 24,000 and profit 26,000. 24,000 plus 26,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees. Kabir is getting 50,000 rupees. Zoravar is entitled to get 24,000 salary and 16,000 rupees as interest on capital. So 24,000 plus 16,000, 40,000. Parul's share. Parul is getting commission of 1 lakh rupees and interest on capital 10,000 rupees. 1 lakh plus 10,000, 1 lakh 10,000. They are entitled to get this sum of money. Kabir is entitled to get 50,000, Zoravar is entitled to get 40,000 and Parul is entitled to get 1 lakh 10,000 rupees. Total 2 lakh rupees they are getting. but the profit that is available with us is 1,60,000 only. So we have to distribute 1,60,000 in the ratio of these appropriations. That means 50,000 is to 40,000 is to 1,10,000, or we can say ratio of appropriation is 5:4:11. 50 is to 40 is to 1,10,000. I hope it is clear now. Whenever available profit is less than amount of appropriations, we have to distribute available profit in the ratio of appropriations. So we have to distribute 1,60,000 in the ratio of 5:4:11. So let us see who is getting how much money. 1,60,000. We have to distribute this to partners capital account. Kabir, Zorawar and Parul. 1,60,000 into 5/20. Zorawar 1,60,000 into 4/20, and Parul 1,60,000 into 11/20. Got it? So Kabir is getting 40,000, Zorawar is getting 32,000, and Parul is getting 88,000 rupees. This is how we have to distribute profit. Whenever available profit is less than amount of appropriations, we have to distribute available profit in the ratio of appropriations. This is how this question has to be done. Okay, thank you.